A 100-ton truck overturned during a night shift at the San Francisco mine in northern Chile, where an empty truck without a load fell down the slope behind their while on its way to the loading location. Based on the investigation and the truck driver's confession, the main cause of the incident was the negligence of a driver who fell asleep during operational hours, carried out unsafe actions, and endangered himself. Currently, as you can see, the investigation team is still coordinating and providing direction to the wheel loader operator. The loader's operator must find the best position to avoid failure or error. The truck evacuation has begun, and the heavy equipment wheel loader is ready. Let's witness this tense moment together.
Ese es mi hermanito. Ese es mi hermanito.
Cat D8T bulldozer evacuation failed while on duty. The cause was the operator failed to control the wild bull, causing the machine to roll down the slope while clearing the project embankment. Fortunately, the operator operating the machine was not injured. In mines and construction sites, slopes and embankments where loading and unloading equipment is most vulnerable to machinery, resulting in numerous incidents involving trucks and supporting machinery falling there. As a reminder, always exercise caution, wear safety equipment, and avoid unsafe practices. Extinguished a fire that engulfed a $450,000 motor grader. The incident occurred at the Las Palambras copper mine, the cause of which was a leak in a fuel hose which caused a very fast spark. On the one hand, the investigation team and the firefighting team are working hard to extinguish the fire. However, they faced a very tough challenge because at that time the weather was very hot and the wind was very strong, so that the team had difficulty extinguishing the fire, which was getting bigger. Using a small fire hose and very low water pressure is also problematic, resulting in no reaction at all. It's nothing more than a garden sprayer. The team decided to stop everything, but they failed. However, the insurance company covered the loss. the company will receive a new stopping machine. An unexpected incident where a motor grader suddenly entered the loading area without any radio communication. In the end, the impact of the end of the heavy equipment could not be avoided and hit the grader cabin, fortunately not causing serious damage and not injuring the operator. In the mine, especially at the loading location of supporting equipment, which is usually tasked with cleaning up scattered material residue, you cannot enter the area carelessly. You must first ask permission from the loading equipment operator.